Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In today's screencast, we will see how you can add the cohort sync method to your course as an enrollment method. By using this cohort sync enrollment method, you can enroll all the users who are belonging to a specific cohort to be enrolled in the course where you would like to give them the access. So you do not need to enroll the users manually, and all you need to do is just create a cohort of those users and then use this cohort sync method to enroll them in all the courses wherever you would like them to be enrolled. So now I'm logged into my Moodle site as admin, and you can also follow me along with the same. So just click on this site admin link, and you need to make sure that you have set up some cohorts on your Moodle site before you start doing this enrollment method. So I will just show you where you can set up the cohorts. So just go to this users tab and then go to this cohorts. And here you will see the system cohorts, which means that they are available throughout site-wide. And then under the all cohorts tab, you will see the cohorts which are either on system level or on some specific category level. So as you can see that I have two cohorts on system level and one cohort on a category 1 specific category level. You can also create new cohorts by going to this add new cohort tab, and you can also upload the cohorts in bulk by using this upload cohorts tab. Now after setting up these cohorts, all you need to do is just go to any course where you would like to add this enrollment method. So I will just go to a new tab and go to this course as a sample, and then go to this participants tab here. Now you need to expand this drop down on this participants page to go to the enrollment methods, and here you will see the enrollment methods enabled for this specific course. Now under this add method, you can just expand the drop down and choose this cohort sync. You can have any number of cohort sync enrollment methods added to any course, so it is not limited to either one or two. So you can have different cohorts added as the different cohort synchronization enrollment methods for this specific course. So let me show you by searching for a cohort here. So let me say that I would like to category 1 cohort to be given the access to this course, and then you can choose the assigned role for this user. So I will just leave it to the student role as of now, and then you can add them to a specific group if you would like, or you can also create a new group here. So I will just click on create new group, because these users I would like to keep them separate from the other users who are there in this course already. Then just click on this add method. So you can see that this enrollment method has been added to this course. Similarly, you can have a second entry of this cohort sync enrollment methods, and here you can search for other cohorts here which are coming from the system level, and then change the role which will be assigned to these students, or which will be assigned to the users coming from this cohort. And then you can also add them to a new group or this category 1 cohort. So let me say that I would like to create a new group for these users coming from the test cohort group, and then click on add method. So now you can see that on this enrollment methods page, we have two different cohort sync enrollment methods added and enabled for this specific course. So any users who is a part of this category 1 cohort will automatically get access to this mathematics course, and similarly the users from this test cohort will automatically get access to this mathematics course. Similar way, you can add these cohort sync enrollment methods to any number of courses, and all the users of this category 1 will be enrolled in those courses. So this is how you can use this cohort sync enrollment method for your Moodle courses. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the future. Thank you.